Yo. Goodbye. Taking it easy, got a little bit of some leftovers. You know what I'm saying? You know what I think is weird? it's more common and like accepted in society to be a viewer than it is to be a content creator. Like, it's just like the collective is always viewing, and it's like normal to be viewing, right? And I guess it's like becoming a wave for people to content create, that it's like so saturated with all sorts of different content. And overall all the content out there is cringe, objectively speaking. Like, I just cringe a lot of the shit I'm watching and viewing, and it's like, why keep cringing when I could be creating? And it's like, I don't want to create in a way that's copying someone else and like using a method that's proven, right? Like, I don't know, that's just so unoriginal. And like so thirsty to be viral, right? That's just like, and that's how you get all of those ratios of like ton of views, very low, followers / subscribers, very low likes. Like, it's a crazy discrepancy between the views being all the way up here and then all the other stats being way down there. And it's like, people just view. That's it. View, go to the next, view. I mean, I do the same. We all do it, right? And it never ends. It's like every day you're doing it. That kind of annoys me. That every day that I'm doing what I'm doing is just viewing, just scrolling and viewing everybody else's shit, and it's like, I'm not even enjoying it anymore. It's not even giving me anything. Really, it's just a fleeting emotion for the moment that they make me feel. The content that I'm viewing makes me feel. I don't know, man. It's the world we live in, right? And I'm like becoming what I hate, really. Like, I don't want to be so caught up in getting engagement, getting views, getting numbers, pretty much, right? Like, seeing growth. Because I am still like refreshing it like crazy, like keeping an eye on it, even though I really shouldn't be. Like I shouldn't be, and because like it's not good for me, but I also shouldn't be because, like I said, I wouldn't be so concerned with that, and yet here I catch myself being so concerned with that. And I gotta excise that part, like eliminate that side of it, things, because really I just need to believe in myself at the end of the day, right? Like, I don't know, it's like the internet is so dynamic, so fluid, ever changing every day, right? And all these trends always changing every day. Like we could really write a historical timeline just going off of trends, like, but I don't know, I wanna do it different, really, and I don't even really know what that really means. I guess it's an excuse to be lazy. Like, oh, I'm not gonna edit. Oh, I'm not gonna make a script, you know, make stage videos. Cause that shit is whack, bro. Like just watching bad acting from some randos with like, you know, 50, 500K followers or whatever. I mean, that's all anything is out there anyway. Like, just something to interact with your sense of values and morals in a way, whether it's positive or negative, so that you would interact with the content. Right? I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to do that. I can't even retain the viewer's attention, you know? And that's fine. I've accepted that. It's funny because the fact that these videos that I make can't actually retain the viewer's attention, that it's just like the minute mark, they're gone, sort of made me feel like this is pointless. Like, why am I even doing this? Why should I keep doing this? But that's a bad mindset to have, right? Because I need to believe in myself, and I also need to be consistent with it because I believe in myself, and that this motion I got will result into something, at least something more than if I was before, which is zero motion. I had nothing going, just viewing, right? I'm creating here. I'm making something here. But it's still hard to like break away from my normal, regular habits. Like, I don't know. What I do know is I can't keep waiting for something to happen, because I need to make it happen. And that in and of itself, it's kind of scary because it's unknown. And I hate those sort of content where they're just trying to trick you, the viewer, right? Like, to tell this whole story and make you feel something relatable that you could have some emotion to, right? And then at the end, oh, follow for more information on how I did that, right? Like, oh, follow to find out how blank did the blank with the blank, like. And then they follow because they're invested. They want to find out more. You know, shit like that, right? Like, I could see exactly what that creator is trying to do. And I'm not with it. I'm scrolling to the next, right? But it has to work, right? And I don't give a shit that it works because I'm not participating in that. Doing my own thing. also lost a subscriber. I lost a subscriber recently. Don't know what for, but hey, I guess they never was really messing with my content to begin with, huh? So it's all good. I realize, people come and go. And at the end of the day, all you can really do is focus on you. And like I find myself like brainstorming and thinking of content to create that viewers would enjoy, but I shouldn't be thinking of what to create in that sort of way, because that goes against my channel's mission. But I still find myself thinking that because of the internet culture, really, right? Like instant gratification. I gotta go viral yesterday, which I feel like everybody internally holds on to somehow, at least in this day and age, right? I need to reject that. I need to move away from that. That's what I need to do.